crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and these are some cards that I made with the Anna Griffin Spring Shaker Card Collection. And well, I was trying to find the, there it is. You know, when you don't have things together. This is a box, the Springtime Shaker Card Kit. So if you have this, it came out maybe 2 years ago now, 2 seasons ago. Get it out and start using it, because if you're like me, it's been sitting here. Look, it's full. So I got it out and I thought, let's make some cards. So I don't send good luck cards or things like that, or St. Patty's Day cards or anything. So I just made this for spring. I already put the envelope in it. So what you need to do, if you don't know, is that it comes with the tops. I'll just show you. Here's the sheet that came with it. I did a video on this when I first got it. And then it comes with bunnies and shamrocks and sayings and butterflies, and of course all the embellishments that you could want, and I think 30 of the shaker things that are already enclosed, so you don't have to worry about those, and then the cards, as well as the tops. So let me just make one real quick and show you something other than a shamrock. Let's do a butterfly. So you take one of these and one of your saying cards. So wishing you a happy Easter, and it has the bunnies too. So I'm doing the butterfly, so let's get our butterfly things. Here's our butterfly stuff. So you take this, and what's so good about her kits is that everything has, it's already got all the stickers and everything. And I didn't know this for the longest time, because you know who reads directions. But everything's got its sticky on it already. So you got that. And you're going to get one of your shakers out and just put it on, just as long as it covers wherever the flower, the butterfly or whatever that is, and just stick it on like that. Okay, now what I do as well, make sure you don't curl it up, make sure it's flat. What I do also is I put some double-sided tape on the side that doesn't have any sticky on it, because you put something on it already. Duh. And this has got sticky stuff on that side, but I'll put one here anyway, because you know you never can have too much sticky stuff. Okay, and then I'll take that off. And I think on my first video I did it the wrong way. You did it wrong. You ever watch Mr. Mom? My favorite movie. My son and I, my youngest son and I don't know, he's 32 now, and we watch that movie even today. We'll watch it separately and laugh and laugh. You're doing it wrong. So there's your top, and so it doesn't show on the inside. And there's this. So all you need to do then is put, if you wish, you don't have to, but then you have another butterfly thing here, and let's do a purple one. It's my granddaughter's favorite color. Probably go to her anyway. So you just take that out of here, and what's good about it is that you can use the inside for other projects. Not this project, but see, you have a butterfly. So you want to take the sticky off of here. Bet you didn't even know that, did you, huh? There's some of you going like, I didn't know that. Thank you so much, Jerry, for telling me. I'm so grateful. Okay, so that's just a frame. And then you start putting stuff around it and you got your card. How cool is that? So these are the cards that I made. Sending love, luck, and good blessings to you. Boy, do we need that these days, huh? Let's send out cards. I can't say this enough. Let's send out cards, more cards to people, especially if they're, well, everybody's shut in. Let's face it. This is March 2020. If you're looking in the future, I wonder what the future will bring for us. But anyway, are y'all going to be laughing at us and saying, oh, you guys were so stupid? You know, whatever. So it has the little things, and I pop them up on some, and you've seen me do this before, but I'll take scrap paper and I'll make several layers of it, whatever it is, and then I'll put it on the backs of whatever I'm doing, rather than using pop dots. I have a couple of them stuck here. They're so expensive, and gee whiz, we got enough scrap paper. Why not bunch up a bunch of scrap paper and make the pieces so you can, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? No, I can't see that because of the shadow. But anyway, I've got a bunch of paper. And then this one is so pretty with its little flower and its butterfly. Wishing you happy Easter. Springtime, hello. I don't know, is this, yeah, it's springtime. Just the other day it was spring. The first day of spring. And then this is a hello with a bunny. You're special. So there you go. Love these. Get out this kit if you haven't used it up already. It's time to use up your kits. I'm not buying any more. I'm telling you this now. I am on a self-proclaimed quarantine of all buying. Well, I have to because I can't go to the store. But I'm not buying anything. Not for a long, long time. I've got so much stuff, I can't tell you. Anyway, let's get it out. Let's use it. Let's send it. Not just make it. Let's send it. Very good. Okay. Have a great day. Go craft. Bye.